sleeping on a Monday morning, as you may plainly see. I took me boat, me small one, and I sailed for Belgrave Bay. Did he fall down for door, diddle dido? Whack, follow dee, right, whack, follow diddle dare, oh, whack, follow diddle o dee. When I got to Long Island, it then began to rain, but the time it was so splendid I could not complain. Did it fall down for door, diddle dido? Whack, follow dee, right, whack, follow diddle dare, oh, whack, follow diddle o dee. I rode ashore all from me boat, and I walked upon the plains, and the Syrians were flying in, most splendid to be seen. Did it fall down for door, diddle dido? Whack, follow dee, right, whack, follow diddle dare, oh, whack, follow diddle o dee. I walked the island all around, till I came to a camp, and all I had to do, you see, was rig up my old lamp. Did it fall down for door, diddle dido? Whack, follow dee, right, whack, follow diddle dare, oh, whack, follow diddle o dee. I then lit in me fire, and I boiled me kettle too, and I then shoved on me bake pot, and I made some nice burgoo. Did it fall down for door, diddle dido? Whack, follow dee, right, whack, follow diddle dare, oh, whack, follow diddle o dee. I walked out from the camp again, gone looking all around, but there I saw two shellbirds were solid harder ground. Did he fall down for door, diddle dido? Whack, follow dee, right, whack, follow diddle dare, oh, whack, follow diddle o dee. I picked up my old gun, you see, intent to have a shot, but when I hauled her back, you know she wouldn't stand full cock. Did he fall down for door, diddle dido? Whack, follow dee, right, whack, follow diddle dare, oh, whack, follow diddle o dee. The two shellbirds did fly away, and I felt very small. Well, I said to myself, well, I'm well tricked now, 'cause I get near shot at all. Did it fall down for door, diddle dido? Whack, follow dee, right, whack, follow diddle dare, oh, whack, follow diddle o